2008 an kashe mun miji, so bani da abun yi, sai na yi tunani a raina na ce bari mun fara dan sai kayan ina sayarwa ko zan samu abin da zan rike yarana.
Women like Mrs. Mary Monday are said to dominate the market business, selling mostly perishable goods. The amount of capital required for any type of business depends mainly on the type of goods sold. Like Mrs. Mary Monday, most market women in Jos are involved in this type of business in order to survive. A variety of factors may have delayed or blocked the progress of their business.
Kasuwan na mata ne kuma yawancin sauran matayen gwamraye ne waɗanda ba su da maza. Kwamitin mu din fannonin da suna taimako shine idan ko da ɗaya daga cikin mu ya samu damuwa ne ko biki ne, duk dai suna iya hada mu domin mu mara ma juna baya.
Matsalan da muna samu kasuwan nan shine kamar mun sai kai haka mutane ba su shiga sun siya ba har ya kwana yakan rube. In ya rube mukan zubar mun yi asara kafin mu samu capital, kuma sai mun sha wuya kafin mu samu capital mu fara.
Honorable Lydia Afan of the Jos North local government speaks on behalf of the government.
The local government is making her effort to see that she purchase more vehicles and put it on roads so that they can fly all the routes to help the women convey their products at a cheaper rate.
They don't have access to go directly to the farmers themselves.
The problem they are facing is the cost of transporting their goods.
So gwamnati tana da wani taimakon da zata mana wanda zata ba mu kolon mu dinga yin business da shi, muna taimaka ma yaran mu za mu ji dadi gaskiya sosai.
It has been observed that most of these market women face difficulties in their business, since trading is typically not controlled and done the way it should, and rules regulate participation and sales. Most of these women have spoken about their predicament. The public have aired their opinion, and the government have placed new measures in which they will help minimize the problem. But how these economic measures affect this women's business is certainly unknown. However, the secret of good and appetizing meal comes with a blend of these perishable goods. I am Miriam Tori, reporting for Media Village, Nigeria.